Hi there, welcome back. If you're new to this channel, then hello, this is Sia, and you're watching Trading Queen. In this video, I will share 4 secret steps that I have learned in my 4 years of trading career for successful trading and making huge profits. If you're a beginner, then next few minutes will change your life. So without any further ado, let's begin. Four years have passed since I began trading on different platforms professionally. Sometimes I won, sometimes lost. But I was convinced that money is within my grasp. I only had to find out how to make it happen. What I did was trying many different strategies and keeping the records of them. Thus, I could continue to work on the methods that were working and got rid of those that were not. Then came the moment I had noticed something was changing in a good direction. My trading was successful whenever I did 4 things that I want to share with you now. If only I omitted one of those things, I experienced losses. I believe these are my 4 secret steps to the success at any trading platform. Number 1. Treat a demo account like a real one. There is one great advantage that the practice account has over the real one. It is obviously the fact that you do not trade with your own money. And what it further means, you do not lose your own money in case of failure. That is the reason why you should always practice strategies on the demo account. It does not involve high risk, so your funds are safe. Every time I want to see if the strategy is effective or not, I would shift to a demo account. I try the specific tactic more than once, and only after I am sure it works as intended, I will move to the real account and use a given strategy there. Moreover, I will try not only strategies on the practice account, but also different financial instruments or the investment amount for a single trade. I practice, I try different possibilities, and when I know what works and what doesn't, I switch to the real account. And without hesitation, I choose the market, the strategy and the investment amount. Many beginning traders use the practice account as a playground. They invest huge amounts, they use random strategies. They do not think much. It's not their money after all. But this is wrong. Do not get used to such thinking. Treat a demo account like it was a real one. Otherwise, it may cost you real money in the future. Using a demo account, the way it was a real one, boosts your confidence and trust. It helps you to distinguish the good moves from the bad ones. You get to know the strategies that work well. And you become confident, it will work on the real market as well. My advice is to spend considerably long hours training. Imagine, you are an athlete. You spend hours in the gym before you are ready to show your skills. And no matter you lose or win, you go back to the training. You should do the very same thing in the trading field. And the great news is that almost in every platform, there is a free demo account. At the end of this video, an inspirational quotation is waiting just for you. So that, in this trading journey, you stay motivated all the time. So, just hang on. Number 2. Stay away from 60 seconds trades. Of course, it is very tempting to make 80 or 90% of the investment in just 1 minute. Even the thought of such fast money makes you smile. But you see, there is a problem. 60 seconds is so short, but also so long. You will feel anxiety and fear. And these emotions are robbing your rational thinking and leaving you vulnerable. Earning good profits in just 60 seconds can make you too confident. So you would think you have found out the easy way to big money. And you would place more and more money in a single trade. This is a very easy way, which can lead to erasing all your previous profits. Or worse. You should never forget that even in such a short time as 1 minute, the prices are in a constant change. and even a small fluctuation in price may result in a severe loss for you. On the other hand, price fluctuations during longer duration are not so profound to make you lose everything. The price will keep changing in short or long time frames. However, it is easier to analyze the market and predict its direction when using longer time frames. For strategies, tricks and free VIP signal, join my Telegram channel. Hurry up! VIP seats are limited. And if this video is helpful, please like it, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Okay, let's continue. Number 3. Check the trading history frequently. The principal rule for every trader is to minimize losses and maximize winnings. It will be much easier when you get the chance to review your past trades. At earlier times, traders held a handwritten transaction log. Every day, they were checking which transaction brought a profit and which a loss. Good news, you don't need to do it. All the popular platforms provide a tool where you can see all the history of your past transactions. Now, what can you deduce from the trading history? First of all, if you made a profit or a loss on that particular day. Second, which financial instruments generated the highest number of profitable trades. Then, what strategies work best, at what time you made the best investments. Say for example, you discover that during trading candles on the Euro-USD currency pair, the highest payouts you receive was between 10 am and 11 am. And thanks to having this piece of information, you know when to trade this specific currency pair. Number 4. Build and follow the trading plan. In the beginning, I didn't work on any money-making plan. I just wanted to earn profits from trading. So I picked random markets and, if one didn't bring me benefits, I swapped to another. I have to admit, it did not work. In the end, I lost more than 80% of my money and I said to myself, something has to change. I started to follow the steps of successful investors, and I discovered that they all had a trading plan. That was exactly what I was missing. Let's look closer at what such a plan should include. The first thing to do is to specify the time you want to spend on the demo account. I decided it would be for 3 weeks. It should be long enough to find out which markets and at what time will bring me the highest profits. Another thing is to set the amount of money you are ready to put into the trade. As was said before, reviewing the trading history is very important. I analyzed every single trade. I wrote my own detailed log, where I specified the time, strategies, indicators, instruments, and time frames I used. 3 weeks had passed and I moved into a real account. I made a trading plan that covered details like the followings. The amount of money I would put in the deposit. The amount that I would invest in a single trade. The time frame that I would select. Charts and indicators that I would use. Markets and times when I would make transactions. The moment to stop trading. For me, it was 3 subsequent losing trades. The moment of profits withdrawal and the percentage of the account balance I would withdraw. This is just a simple example of a money-making plan. I advise that you create your own plan that best suits your trading style. And above all, make sure that you follow your money-making plan. How long have you traded? And what are your results? If you're yet to open a trading account, open a demo account today in OlympTrade, IQ Option or any other popular platforms, and try out my 4 secret steps. Share your findings in the comments section below. The best way to learn reading candlestick chart is practicing how to enter or exit a trade. I personally would suggest you to practice it in demo accounts. Sign up in your preferred trading platform with the links provided in video description and get 150% bonus at your first time deposit. Yes, you've heard it right. And if this video was helpful, please like it, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. For strategies, tricks and free VIP signal, join my Telegram channel. Hurry up, VIP seats are limited. This is Sia, signing off for today. See you soon with a brand new profitable video. Good day.